Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. OMG, I'm so excited for today's video because we're diving deep into something that affects, literally all of us. Mornings. Okay, so we all know mornings can be rough, right? It's like the universe's way of testing our souls before the day even really starts. But fear not, my friends, because today we're going to talk about 5 common mistakes many of us make when we wake up in the morning and how we can avoid them to start our day on the right foot. Let's get started. Okay, let's be real, the snooze button is like the ultimate frenemy. It's tempting in the moment, promising you those extra few minutes of precious sleep, but then it's like, bam! You wake up feeling even more groggy and disoriented than before. We've all been there, right? You hit snooze once, maybe twice, and suddenly you're scrambling to get ready, feeling totally rushed and stressed. But guys, there's a better way. Instead of hitting that snooze button, try setting your alarm for the time you actually need to wake up. And here's the key. Put it across the room, physically get your butt out of bed to turn it off. It sounds insane, but trust me, it works. This way, you're forced to actually wake up. And let me tell you, it makes a world of difference. You'll avoid that awful snooze button trap and start your day feeling way more alert and ready to conquer the world. Or at least conquer that first cup of coffee. Okay, I know. Mornings can be crazy hectic, and sometimes breakfast feels like the least of our worries, right? But seriously, you guys, breakfast is like the Beyoncé of meals. It sets the tone for the entire day. Skipping breakfast is like trying to drive a car without any gas. It's just not going to end well. You'll be running on fumes, feeling sluggish and unproductive. And let's be real, no one wants to deal with that mid-morning energy crash. So even if you're super rushed, try to grab something quick and nutritious. Like even a banana or a granola bar will do the trick. It's all about fueling your body and brain with the good stuff. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel and how much more energy you have throughout the day. Plus, it's an excuse to eat pancakes, so win-win. Okay, I'm calling myself out on this one too because I am so guilty of this. We wake up and the first thing we do is grab our phones, right? It's practically an instinct at this point. We scroll through social media, check emails, get bombarded with notifications, and suddenly, our minds are racing with a million different things before we've even had a chance to, breathe. It's overwhelming, to say the least. So instead of starting your morning in a frenzy of digital chaos, try this. Put the phone down. I know, it sounds impossible, but trust me, your mental health will thank you. Instead of scrolling, try starting your morning with a few minutes of mindfulness or gratitude practice. Actually be present in the moment. Take some deep breaths, think about what you're thankful for, and set some positive intentions for the day ahead. It's all about starting your day with a clear and focused mind. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many of us forget to hydrate first thing in the morning. After a long night's sleep, our bodies are naturally dehydrated, so it's super important to replenish those fluids. Think of it like this. Water is like the ultimate life hack. It literally makes everything better. So make it a habit to keep a glass of water by your bedside and drink it as soon as you wake up. Before you even check your phone or think about coffee. This will help rehydrate your body, boost your metabolism, and just make you feel like a functioning human being. Seriously, water is magic. Okay, I used to think routines were the most boring thing ever. But then I realized that having a morning routine doesn't have to be this rigid military-style operation. It's more about creating a series of small, intentional actions that set you up for success. It's about finding what works for you and makes you feel your best. So, take some time to think about what activities make you feel amazing in the morning. Maybe it's a quick workout, maybe it's listening to your favorite podcast, or maybe it's just taking a few extra minutes to do your skincare routine. Whatever it is, incorporate it into your daily life. Trust me, your future self will be so grateful you did. And there you have it, 5 common morning mistakes and how to avoid them. How easy was that? Remember, mornings don't have to be the enemy. With a few simple tweaks to your routine, you can totally transform your mornings and start your day feeling like the amazing human you are. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.